The Clarke CPMCS1 portable metal cutting circular saw is designed for tough workshop or on-site use. This robust and powerful, high-speed, liquid-cooled saw slices quickly and cleanly through ferrous metal bar, tube and profile up to 70 mm wide. The powerful 720-watt motor spins the blade at 86 RPM off-load, cutting through stock like a hot knife through butter. The CPMCS1 comes complete with a metal cutting disc and a holding vise. Suitable cutting discs are of the commonly available 225 mm diameter. To prevent the material and blade overheating during cutting, the saw incorporates liquid cooling, which is recirculated after passing through a purifying filter. Replacement Clarke blades and professional metal cutting cooling fluid are available from your local Clarke stockist. A vise is provided to hold the workpiece securely, and the CPMCS1 is adjustable up to 45 degrees to simply enable cutting at an angle. The saw also features a workpiece stock for easy repetition. Stock of up to 65 mm diameter can be cut, as well as rectangular stock up to 70 mm wide. The CPMCS1 includes full safety guarding and incorporates a convenient carry handle. It will give you many years of great service.